Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Salifia and I am here for another video. And in this video, I am going to do something that I have not done in quite a while, and that is talk about my hair. Yes, as you can see, my hair is in mini twists. Today is Friday, and I did my hair between Wednesday and Thursday night. Now, I had some twists in my hair prior to these that I put in a day before 2 days before I had my surgery. And they were much bigger than these right here. And these, when I tell you all, I did not intentionally mean for them to be this small. This was not my plan. It was definitely not my plan. However, because I have a little bit had cutting fever and I don't want to cut my hair. I want to let my hair just grow and not keep cutting. But I also don't want to deal with putting synthetic hair in my head as far as braiding or what have you, because I do not want to cause my edges to be thinner than what they are. And while my edges have never been thick, I do know there is some damage in my edges that could have come from the braids that I was wearing and all that before. So my goal is to try with doing my hair in these mini twists to try to get my edges to, give me a minute to try to get my edges to thicken up just a little bit if I can, but not only to get my edges to thicken up more, but just to, you know, hopefully leave my hair alone to promote growth. So I just stick the pin on this side of my hair to kind of just keep it out of my face, because I don't want the hair in my face. So I put a pin here, and then I have a couple that I leave out over here, and I put a pin over here. And that is pretty much it, and this is how I plan on wearing them at night. All I do is, and in the video you'll see how I do it at night. So basically, if you want to see and me go through how I do these mini twists and what I use on them, then please do stay tuned. Alright y'all, so first of all, don't judge me. I know I probably look a little bit worn because I'm still healing. I'm still in the healing process. But that aside, I kind of wanted to come in with the hair video. Haven't done that in a while, so just gonna show you what I'm going to use, the products that I plan on using. I am going to use this Cream of Nature Coconut Milk Detangling and Conditioning Shampoo, the Detangling and Conditioning Leave-In Conditioner, the Essential 7 Treatment Oil, and I am going to use this Hawaiian Silky Hair Yogurt for my deep treatment on my hair. I'm going to show you what I'm going to use when I'm doing the twisting process. So I'm going to take my hair down. I'm about to, like I said, shampoo my hair. I took the other twist out a few days ago, and this is what I have right now. And I'm about to just, like I haven't combed it or anything. I just untwisted it and kind of sprayed it with water. And that's kind of what I've done for the last couple of days. So I'm about to shampoo it, condition it. I'm going to blow dry it, and I'm going to come in with the twisting process. I'm going to come in and kind of show you how I go about twisting my hair now. I used to do my hair while it was wet when I do mini twists, but I do want the stretch. I didn't want my length to show a bit, so yeah, I won't be doing it while it's wet, but I will come in and show you the process. So just kind of wanted to come in and show you what I'm using, and I will show you the other products that I'm going to use once it's in its dry state. Alright, so I am back, and as you can see, my hair is blow dried. I've blow dried it and I've stretched it. I didn't stretch it all the way out to the max because I don't need it like bone straight. So what I'm going to do now is take each section. So like right now with this section, I take this section down and I'll clip the rest of my hair up. I clip the rest of my hair up out of the way, and then I have another clip. And so what I'll do for the section, even though I have oil on my hair, so I have some moisture, as you can see, if you can see that moisture on my hand. But I'll take this shea butter, it's just pure raw shea butter, and I get some on my finger like this. The shea butter helps to weigh my hair down to make the twist lay down. So then I'll go and I'll put the shea butter on the whole entire section at one time. Sure I get it on the ends. And then what I do is I'll take a piece. I don't part it, I just take a section. And I don't do these like micro twists like I used to do back in the day. I'll make sure it's completely detangled. And then I will twist it. Oh, the other product I'm going to use is my Eco Styler gel. So I will then go and twist it. Just start twisting it. I'll split it in half. And what you have to do when you're doing your twist is make sure you don't borrow from one section to another. I'm sure you've seen many videos where people tell you not to borrow. But I try to keep the twist as tight as I can without running from the twist. Because if you run from the twist, you run from it. And when I say run from it, meaning if you go too fast, then the twist will be too loose and it won't be tight enough. And so because I don't want my hair to convert, the shea butter, which is it's not a water-based product, the shea butter is perfect to keep my hair stretched out. But at the ends, what I do when I get close to the ends is when I get down so far, I'll take a bit of my Eco Styler gel. Don't come for me about Eco Styler gel. And I'll just start twisting at the end with my Eco Styler gel, because the Eco Styler gel is a water-based product which is going to curl the end. And I want the ends curled because that'll keep them from unraveling. So just a little curl there. So that's my first twist. Now all of them won't be this small, but around the edge, the perimeter, I do make them a little bit smaller. So as I finish this section, I'll come back in and show you some more. Alright, so I'm back and it's like 3 hours later, and trust and believe, it's only taking me about 2 hours to do this. A part of that 3 hours was spending time talking to Pumpkin and eating. So, but this is all I have left, the front part of my hair. This is done. So mind you, my plan was not to have them this little, but when it started, it just kind of seemed to continue on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to bed, and I'm going to get up in the morning, and I'm going to do this part because I have to finish this before I go to the doctor. But I'll come back in when I'm all done. Okay. Alright, so it is the next day. And as I said last night, I worked for a little while, then I went to bed. So I have 2 more twists to do, and I'm going to do these twists right here on camera. I got this morning and started doing my hair. So like I said, I take a section and then it's small. These twists, like I said, was not my plan to do them this small, but I'm glad I did. Alright, so I'm just going to keep on twisting. And like I said, remember when you're doing twist, not to borrow from the other twist, because it makes, borrow hair from the other section. Like from this section, do not borrow hair from here, because it does make the takedown very, very hard. And like I said, I have the shea butter on there. The shea butter kind of weighs my hair down for me, as well as it is moisturizing. And so it keeps it stretched. And so now when I get to about here, I put just a teensy weensy bit of Eco Styler gel on my finger. I mean, it's not that much. You probably can't even see that. But I put just enough to where it will convert the ends of my hair. kind of cross it up, but it convert the ends of my hair so that they'll curl up, and then when I get to the end I just kind of do this right here and throw it over to the side. And here we go with the last one. Alright, so it's all done. So last night before I went to bed with the back, this is what I did. So I'm going to take this off. So now my entire head is done. So now what I'm going to do, I have to take a shower. I have to get out of here to go to the doctor. So I am going to tie my hair down. And what is this? There must be some shea butter. So what I don't do is I don't put any gel on my edges or anything, because the scarf will lay my hair down. So what I'm going to do is just take all of my hair and just pull it back. And put the elastic back on it. Have a little pain. You kind of just tuck this over. Alright guys, so yeah, that's my mini twist routine. I do plan on, when I take these down, doing them again. My goal is to try to keep these for at least 3 to 4 weeks and then start over again. So yeah, I don't plan on and I'll go back to work Wednesday on the 1st, so I don't plan on having to deal with my hair. I don't go back to work out for another 2 weeks, but when I do go to work out, I don't plan on having to deal with my hair then neither. If you enjoyed this video, please do give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video across all your social media sites. And until the next time and in between time, you ladies and gentlemen be safe, and I will do what? See you in the next one. Bye.